In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Manychat to Facebook Messenger and set up Messenger automation. This process is quite straightforward and can greatly enhance your communication strategy by automating interactions with your audience on Facebook. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to Manychat, which you can access through your web browser. Once there, you will notice a prominent Get Started button located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on this button to begin the setup process. Manychat offers various channels for integration, but our focus today is on Facebook Messenger. When prompted, choose Facebook Messenger from the list of available channels. The next step involves connecting your Facebook account to Manychat. You will be guided through a series of prompts designed to facilitate this connection. Carefully follow these prompts, ensuring that you provide the necessary login details for your Facebook account. Once your account is successfully connected, look for the option that says plus add new account and click on it. Now, from the options that appear, select Facebook Messenger once again. This step reinforces our intention to integrate Manychat specifically with Messenger. At this point, you will be prompted to choose a Facebook page that you would like to connect. It's crucial to select a page that is actively managed by you, as this will be the primary platform through which interactions will occur. Once you've made your selection, click on Connect. Manychat offers different pricing plans, including a free plan and a pro trial. Depending on your needs and how you plan to utilize Messenger automation, select an option that best suits your requirements. If you're new to Manychat, starting with the free plan might be a good way to get acquainted with the features and functionalities. As you proceed, you'll encounter a series of questions designed to customize your experience. These questions will help Manychat tailor the setup to your specific preferences and business needs. Take your time answering these queries, as they will optimize your Messenger automation experience. Finally, you will need to grant the required permissions to complete the connection between Manychat and Facebook Messenger. These permissions are necessary for Manychat to function effectively, allowing it to send messages and interact with your audience on your behalf. Once permissions are granted, the connection is established and your Manychat to Facebook Messenger setup is complete. And there you have it, a fully connected and operational Manychat setup with Facebook Messenger. With this automation in place, you can now engage with your audience more efficiently, providing timely responses and maintaining a consistent presence. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our videos for additional insights and tips.